Artificial intelligence infrastructure has reached a point where traditional configuration management is no longer keeping pace. Massive GPU clusters have grown from dozens of machines to thousands of accelerators working together, and every small inconsistency across those systems introduces risk. The biggest challenge is no longer deploying servers. It's ensuring every node behaves identically every single time. For years, Ansible dominated infrastructure automation by pushing configuration changes to existing machines. That worked well when environments were relatively small and predictable. But today's AI superclusters continuously evolve with new drivers, CUDA releases, machine learning frameworks, networking stacks, and hardware generations. Every update increases the chance that one machine silently drifts away from the rest. Configuration drift has become one of the most expensive hidden problems in AI infrastructure. Imagine a multi-million-dollar training run involving thousands of GPUs. If just a handful of nodes contain a slightly different CUDA version, an incompatible NVIDIA driver, or mismatched communication libraries, distributed training can fail hours or even days into execution. The compute cost is enormous, but the lost research time and delayed product releases can be even more expensive. This is configuration rot in action. Systems that started identical slowly diverge over weeks or months as emergency patches, package updates, manual fixes, and dependency changes accumulate. Eventually, no two servers are exactly alike, even though they appear to have the same configuration. The traditional approach focuses on pushing changes onto mutable systems. Every deployment modifies machines that already exist, making it increasingly difficult to know their exact state. Infrastructure gradually becomes a collection of unique pets that require constant maintenance instead of predictable cattle that can be recreated instantly. Modern AI infrastructure demands something fundamentally different. Instead of describing how to change a server, we need to define exactly what the final system should be. That desired state must become the single, immutable source of truth for the entire data center. This is where NixOS introduces a completely different philosophy. Rather than treating servers as machines that evolve over time, NixOS treats the entire infrastructure as a reproducible function. Every package, every dependency, every kernel module, every service, every configuration file, and every compiler version is described declaratively. The same inputs always generate the exact same outputs. That changes everything. Declarative manifests eliminate the classic "works on my machine" problem because every dependency is pinned precisely. Instead of relying on whichever package version happens to exist today, every build references the exact software versions used during testing. Even the smallest dependency differences are eliminated, creating bit-for-bit reproducible environments. This certainty stands in sharp contrast to traditional Ansible workflows. Ansible playbooks often depend on remote repositories whose package versions change over time. A deployment that succeeds today may fail next month simply because an external repository updated a dependency. Identical playbooks no longer guarantee identical systems. With Nix, the derivation itself defines the complete build process. Every dependency is cryptographically identified, making deployments deterministic instead of probabilistic. If the configuration built successfully once, it will build the same way again. One of the biggest advantages appears when managing complex accelerator software. Modern AI clusters rely on sophisticated combinations of NVIDIA drivers, CUDA toolkits, communication libraries, kernel modules, firmware, and increasingly diverse AI accelerators. Integrating these components traditionally risks kernel conflicts, broken dependencies, or incompatible package upgrades. NixOS isolates these components in a way that dramatically reduces those risks. Driver stacks can be updated without polluting the rest of the operating system, allowing organizations to support multiple hardware generations while maintaining system stability. This becomes even more valuable as AI infrastructure incorporates increasingly diverse hardware. Many organizations now operate clusters containing NVIDIA H100 GPUs, alongside newer accelerator generations, specialized NPUs, and custom AI processors. Supporting these heterogeneous environments within a single orchestration layer would normally require extensive custom scripting and endless compatibility testing. With NixOS, hardware-specific configurations become modular building blocks. Each platform can receive its own optimized configuration without bloating the base operating system or creating dependency conflicts across unrelated systems. Perhaps the most powerful capability is atomic deployment. Traditional upgrades modify systems incrementally. If something fails halfway through, administrators are left repairing partially updated machines. NixOS takes a different approach by building an entirely new system generation before activation. If the deployment succeeds, the system switches instantly. If anything goes wrong, administrators simply roll back to the previous generation within seconds. There is no lengthy repair process. No manual package downgrades. No guessing which configuration caused the failure. Entire GPU clusters can return to a previously verified state almost immediately. For organizations operating large-scale inference platforms around the clock, this reliability is critical. AI services supporting customers worldwide cannot afford extended downtime while engineers manually troubleshoot dependency conflicts. Atomic rollbacks provide confidence that even unsuccessful deployments have minimal operational impact. Development workflows benefit just as much. Researchers frequently struggle to reproduce experiments because local development environments differ slightly from production clusters. Different compiler versions, Python libraries, CUDA releases, or system packages produce inconsistent results. Nix-shell and flakes solve this problem by creating isolated, reproducible development environments that exactly mirror production. Every researcher enters the same environment regardless of operating system or workstation configuration. Experiments become reproducible not only across teams, but across months or years. Instead of spending valuable research time debugging environment issues, scientists focus entirely on model development. Deployment also becomes significantly cleaner. Rather than maintaining separate operating system images for every hardware combination, specialized configurations are layered only where needed. Individual GPU models, networking hardware, storage controllers, or AI accelerators receive customized modules, while the shared system remains simple, consistent, and easy to maintain. The result is a highly automated AI infrastructure, where declarative Nix code controls the entire lifecycle. New servers join clusters automatically. Failed machines rebuild from the same source of truth. Software updates become reproducible, and infrastructure continuously heals itself without introducing configuration drift. As AI infrastructure continues expanding, the role of DevOps engineers is changing as well. Instead of constantly firefighting configuration problems, manually fixing broken dependencies, or chasing mysterious environment bugs, engineering teams increasingly focus on designing reliable systems whose behavior is mathematically predictable. The infrastructure itself becomes software, version-controlled, testable, reviewable, reproducible. For organizations currently relying on Ansible, migration does not have to happen overnight. A practical roadmap begins by identifying reproducibility critical workloads such as AI training clusters and inference infrastructure. Existing configurations can gradually be translated into declarative Nix modules, while Ansible continues managing legacy systems during the transition. Next, adopt flakes to standardized development environments. Introduce atomic deployments for production clusters, migrate hardware-specific configurations into reusable modules, and finally establish Nix as the single source of truth for both development and production infrastructure. The organizations that embrace reproducible infrastructure today will spend less time repairing systems and more time building the next generation of AI. In an era where every GPU hour matters, deterministic infrastructure is no longer a luxury. It is becoming a competitive advantage. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into AI infrastructure, cloud engineering, DevOps, and the technologies shaping the future of large-scale computing.